Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making this pouch that you guys see. All of the materials that I'm using are on my last and my first video that I posted. If you haven't seen those yet, I will put that in the description below so you guys can go ahead and see those. And the zipper I'm using is from my most current video that I posted, where it's me taking off the zippers from old school backpacks, reusing them as I am doing in this video. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. First off, I'm going to be cutting 2 pieces of fabric into 18 times 12 centimeters, different types. So in total, I would have 4 pieces of fabric. Now the materials I'm going to be using for this pouch is going to be 18 times 12 centimeter fabric, 4 pieces, a 8-inch zipper, or it can be longer, and 2 napkins. And then we're going to be using some of these napkins. Now they're like these really soft, stretchy kind of napkins. 16 by 10. I'm gonna cut the napkins and I'll show you guys the size. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the fabric piece that I want showing on the outside, as you guys can see, and I'm going to place it right side down, which means the darker side is going to be facing downwards, and then I'm going to put the napkin on top of that, and then I'm going to flat iron it. First, I'm going to start off by placing the flat iron on the napkin and the fabric softly, and then once I think that it's secured and it's well in there, I'm going to start pressing hard. And I'm going to do that to both out pieces. So now I'm going to place the fabric that's going inward right side up. I'm going to put the zipper on top, and then I'm going to place the outside fabric right side down. And now I'm going to sew this together. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flat iron. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab both the outward pieces and the inward pieces, and I'm going to face them both to their right side. I'm going to put them both together, and then I'm going to put some clips on them, and then I'm going to sew. Now as I'm sewing this side of the fabric, I'm going to leave a little space in the middle. That way I can turn it inside out. I folded the fabric in half, both outward and inward sides, and I'm going to sew the sides. When I finish sewing, I cut off the extra fabric and the extra zipper. Now I'm turning it inside out. Now I'm grabbing a 2 by 2 centimeter square, and I'm marking that on all 4 corners. Here's the final result. Hope you guys like this video.